We are going to be looking for the lowest common multiple, or LCM, of three numbers. Let us begin. We start by drawing our box and placing the numbers next to one another. We are looking for the LCM of 2, 3, and 4. We start by seeing which number, or denominator, can go into all three numbers, or into only two of them. The only number that can go into two of them is 2. I place my 2 on the left. Now, 2 can go into 2 once. 2 can't go into 3, so I leave the 3 as 3. And 2 can go into 4 twice. All that is left is to multiply. 2 times 1 equals 2, times 3 equals 6, and 6 times 2 equals 12. This gives us the answer, or LCM, 12. We are going to be finding the LCM of 2, 3, and 12. Sometimes there can be two numbers which can be used as a denominator. In this case, 2 can go into itself once and into 12 6 times, and 3 can go into itself once and into 12 4 times. We use the largest denominator, the 3. So I place my 3 on the right. Now, 3 can go into 2, no. I use the tab function. So tab, 3 can't go into 2, I leave the answer as 2. 3 can go into 3 once, and 3 can go into 12 4 times. Now we're going to have to deal with the second round, 2, 1, and 4. So we have to find a denominator that can go into both 2 and into 4. That number is 2. Put it on the left. I use tab. 2 can go into 2 once. The 1 remains as 1. And the 4 becomes 2. Now, all that is left is to multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. And 6 times 1 is still 6. Times 1 again, still 6. Times 2, 6 times 2 equals 12. Therefore, our LCM is 12. We are going to be adding three fractions using the lowest common multiple, or LCM. The fractions we are going to be adding are a half plus 2/3 plus 3/8. The first thing we need to do is to find our lowest common denominator. We can use the box on the right. Sometimes what I like to do is I just like to double or triple the largest denominator, in this case the 8, and see if the other numbers will go into it. So 8 times 2 is 16, 2 can go into 16, 3 can't. 8 times 3 is 24, 3 can go into 24, and 2 can go into 24. So 24 will be my lowest common denominator, or LCD. If I want to use the box on the right, I can. Looking at these numbers, 2, 3, and 8, which are denominators, 2 can be used to go into 2 and into 8. So 2, tab, goes into 2 once, 3 it can't go into, so that remains 3, and goes into 8 4 times. Let us multiply. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. Right. So our LCD is 24. Now, 2 can go into 24 12 times, because 24 divided by 2 equals 12. Multiplied by the top, 1 remains 12. 3 can go into 24 8 times. Multiplied by the numerator, the 2, to get 16. 8 can go into 24 3 times. Multiplied by the numerator 3, 3 times 3 equals 9. Right, so 12 plus 16 plus 9. 12 and 16 equals 28. 28 plus 9 equals 37. So I get 37 over 24. Right, this is an improper fraction, so 24 can go to 37 once. And 37 minus 24, well, 7 minus 4 equals 3. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. So this leaves me with 13 over 24, Can't reduce further, so our answer is 1 and 13 over 20.